Thank you so much, everyone that has sent. Okay, now let me open the rest of these cans. Cans, 3 minutes, I feel like that was fast. All in, no. Definitely. Definitely not. If it's a little bit at the end, sure, we could do a little. So, I know some of y'all don't really care about anything other than clean talk, like, from a clean talk, like, perspective. But if y'all want me to go live while I'm rearranging my furniture later, I know some people said that they wanted me to, but if not, maybe I'll just do like a subscriber live. So are y'all going for the Patriots, or who is it, the Seahawks? Shit, I don't fucking know. Do y'all really care, or is it like that's like your man team, or your dad's team, or your whoever's team? Oh, I already know Main Street was gonna go for the Patriots. Going for Benito, I know that's right. I know, I can't wait to see his performance. He is my most listened to of 2025. Our team, yep. Seahawks and Melanie. Like, as an artist, like, his songs are good. Oh my. I'm gonna be watching it because my husband wants to watch it, so. If it was up to me, I won't be watching no damn Super Bowl. Or no damn football. I don't care. If Chris Brown performs at the Super Bowl, he needs to sing that song. What is that one? It's the one where it's like, it's something about trusting in him, but it's talking about God. You know what I'm talking about? I forgot the lyrics. I forgot the lyrics right now. I got brain fart. Bro, but test. No, need to play some Jesus music. I didn't even know that he sang like this one song until like I saw that he was on it. Anyway, he was like a guest, but he didn't sing that one. So y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all don't listen to no gospel music. Thank you. It's kind of hard because like the sponges are really thick right now, so I feel like I'm trying to squeeze as best as I can, but you can see it's super thick. Hey Marie, again. Marie be silent watching. You know what came up the other day was like the 1 year anniversary of when you did like the Astravino, the fucking, what is that? Those little decorative stuff. I forgot. I don't know the name of it, but hey Anya. It's called making, but like the one of the Astravino has crumbles. Like that was with crumbles? I don't remember. I just saw like the picture. Is anyone planning on coming to Houston for the rodeo? I heard there's a lot of people trying to come. Or they're like planning to come. I'm like, bro, no. Thank you. But I'm like, it's good because like that's gonna be in Houston and I don't live in Houston though. That's still gonna be like 45 minutes away from me. We're planning their whole trip. When is it? March. I want to see Chris Stapleton or Rascal Flatts. I guess we'll see. We shall see. I don't even know when the cook-off is. But I don't even remember how the melody went. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. One, turn that shit down. That's the one that he need to be singing. That's the only one. He sing that trusting. He's featuring on that song, trusting God. How many cans went in? 2 billion. I feel like a boss, like Lori. Hey, everything weird. Hey Scorpio, you back. I'm a boss. I'm the boss, babe. It's time to boss up. Fix that credit, get that. What is it? Wait, fix that credit. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get a degree. Go, girl. Focus on me. What they call that? Bro, they call that boss babe music. Actually, they call it single mom music, but I don't like to call it that. I say that's big boss. That's boss babe music. But me, would like to be. I got 24 left to go in. Oh. This one's gonna flip over first. Let me this. Up. Boom, boom, boom. I got like hella money. I got like hella money. I got like $5. What? Lincoln. Boom, 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 boom. That shit is too big for this one. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Oh my god, this is like dry as hell. I did not expect it to be that dry. Now this sponge do the work. Yes. Thank you. Everything weird. I love thick powder. I do have an epoxy in here. It's this one. Man, just be prepared to get your arms dirty like this. Yeah, we're gonna get Maine in the pool. Wait, that's gonna be your first pool live, huh? Or maybe I'm tripping, but I think so. Ooh. I feel like this sponge is doing good. This sponge is not really hanging. Like that. Man, I'm not trying to be on all damn day. Because we're going to do laundry too. We're going to do Blanca. So I think that we should do, between the both of us, let's see. In 2 hours, I can clear like, well, obviously, I've been taking my time too. I've been mixing this shit the fuck up. Like, if I was really rushing, I would have been done in like an hour 30. But it's 2 hours and I still have 28 cans left. So I think we should do 40 cans. No, that's not gonna be enough. This shit is thick. Take that shit out. Probably take this one out too. I don't know, this one is squeezing good, to be honest. 300, please. That would not fit in that damn pool. I'll tell y'all right now. Although I do have my stock tank at my sister-in-law's. But no. I think we should do 80 cans. And 10, I think we should do 80 cans. So that's already a lot of cans, like, plus it's liquids. We have to think, we don't have any pre-sends for next week. So we have to think of everything that's gonna be like out of pocket on this. Us or me. I don't know. Exactly. We told people about it. Yeah, we're gonna do a flyer, but it's only gonna be a Galentine's. It's only gonna be gallon liquid. So the the pink vanillin. That's not like, I think something short, as simple as sweet would be good for us to at least squeeze together, but not to be like, it has to be like a big, huge overload either. Like, I don't know if I want to do a whole huge, big overload. A lot to clean up. Like, I don't know yet. We're gonna see. But 120 is crazy because we're trying to do laundry too. So when we think about like